Okay, welcome back guys. I hope that you had a great day, or you're having a great day. So welcome back to the White Sponge live stream. My name is David and I'm your host for today. Okay, so let's get right to action. Okay, without further ado, okay, so what we are doing today is to finalize Beat's new special skill. Okay, I wouldn't call it a new special skill, but rather a revamped version of his special skill. Yeah. So to give you an preview of what it looks like now, okay, let's start the game. And of course, Unity, as always, takes a while before it starts the game for the first time after you restart your machine. Wow. Okay, that's a good expectation. And by the way, welcome back, Mac. How was are you having a great day? Okay, so instead of teleporting to the nearest enemy, okay, Beat's special skill now involves him just dashing forward. Okay, and any enemy in his line of fire will be hit or damaged. Okay, adding up to 5 hits. Okay. Okay, so something like that. Hey, I'm having a great day as well. Okay, it's just that I want to start on the multiplayer game room UI today because to be frank, we are slightly behind schedule. Oh, interesting. Yeah, I am still going with Beat. Okay, we just need to finalize his revamp special skill. Oh, and by the way, welcome back as well, Anasazi. And what's up, Dev Trenta? Okay, so there's one little animation that we need to add to it. Hey, hi there, Death Trenta. Hey, thanks man, Mac. It's just a normal black shirt. But hey, I will take that as a compliment. Okay, so there's actually two things that we need to do for Beat's special skill. One is an animation to show that Beat has slightly jump and dash forward. Not exactly, but this is how I sometimes dress when I go out. Yeah. So most of my t-shirts or shirts are either black and yeah, black. Okay, let me just create a small image, okay, that I'll be showing soon in a few minutes. Oh, and by the way, it's rare that you did not start today with a joke. And yes, I'm referring to you, Mac. Okay. Well, I'm sure he will eventually remember it without me reminding him. Okay, So let's go to Dropbox. Okay, we have dropped the image that I have just created. Okay, I have so many images in this Dropbox folder now, it's kind of messy. Okay, textures, sprites, characters, players. Oh. Hey, thanks for the follow, Zhu Qie. I think that's how I pronounce your username. Okay, let's see where we copy and paste our sprite here. Yep. Okay, I don't think you can do that. As in, I don't think you can ban yourself. Okay, let me just... Five. Okay. Prefab. Oh. Whoa. Okay, maybe you should... If you want, you can try it out. Oh, damn. I was kind of looking forward to one of your jokes though. Okay, let's see. Actions. Okay, let's search for... Okay, that's a good one. Okay, that is a good one. It just came when you least expected it. Okay, by the way, if you were wondering what I'm doing, okay, I am creating just a simple, I wouldn't say a simple animation, but it's just a sprite that will appear and disappear just for a split second to show that bit has sort of jump and dash forward. Okay, so jump after effect dot position. Goes to where the character is currently at in terms of the X and Y axis, but just on the platform itself. So minus maybe okay, the characters. Okay, give me a second here. What about that? Smells fishy. Oh man. Tank. Hey, what's up, Term Tank? Oh, okay. I have a question for you, Mac. Okay, so what does a cat says to another cat? Hey, sure, man. Oh. Well, if you are thinking that this is a test, then yeah, why not? Okay, direction X, okay. Okay, that is possible. Okay, plus direction X times, okay, maybe 0.2. Well, cats can't really talk, so meow. That's all they can say to each other. Meow. Wow. That is a series of rather Hey, welcome back, man, Xeno Falcon. I will take that as a compliment. So, how have you been, man? Wow. Oh. Okay. So, minus y. Oh, okay. Divided by 2. Oh, Dragon Ball Super seems like an interesting new series. Hey, what's up, Shadow Origins? Welcome to the live stream. How's your day? Oh, yeah, the comments do help me find which line I'm looking for, Xeno. Let's see. Why are fish so intelligent? Oh my god. Here's a slow clap for you. Oh. Hey, Shadow Origins, I assume you are somewhere in the States or in Europe. Huh. Oh. And whoa. Hey, thanks Benzino. Okay. Whoa. Oh, shouldn't you get some rest since it's already 4 a.m.? Yeah, I wouldn't consider that in the night, but rather in the morning, because you are just a few hours away from an early breakfast. Let's see. Oh, okay. So actually we have to do this in the reverse. No, Zeno. I've not seen that yet. Oh, actually this is my first time hearing of that. Bridge. Oh, hey, thanks for the recommendation. Okay, this means that I have something new to look forward to. Okay. Huh. Okay, what if we do the reverse? Okay, we have to flip that image. So let's see. This is for right. Okay, left. Trust me when I say that the comments really help a lot, or at least for me. So if not facing right, okay, we have to flip it. Okay, and let me just copy and paste what we have. Oops. Oh. That is kind of subjective. As in, it depends on what is the nature of the bug and the scale and scope of the game. Because I'm sure that Minecraft is much bigger in scope and scale. Okay, let's see, attack. Let's go to the flip. Oops. Yep. Okay, I'm just going to copy this. Forbid. Do special bits. Okay, here. Okay, flip the jump after effect if facing left. Okay. Pause. So if I'm using the special skill on the left, okay. Okay, what if I use it on the right? Okay. Okay, so this is just a simple displaying of an image, but it makes the animation, the entire special skill slightly more interesting. Okay, so that means that we need a sound effect for that. Okay, for when the small image appears. Okay, this small image which we have just added. So that's for Beat's special skill. Okay, I will add the sound effect later on. Okay, but for today's game patch, okay, this new sort of revamp special skill for Beat, okay, will be in today's new game patch. Okay, what I'm going to do now is to start creating the elements for the user interface for the game room. So to do that, oh, okay. Okay, to do that, let's take a look at the current multiplayer overview. Oh. Oops. Okay, let's go back here. Okay. So we can create a room, but it does not actually create a room yet. So let's add that in. Okay, and we can do that by going to our multiplayer client here. Wait a second. No. Okay, by going to our multiplayer scene manager script. Okay. Okay, yeah. So these two lines, okay, let's uncomment them. So this is what will create a room for you to invite your friends or chat with your friends. Okay, so this is for a custom match. Okay, and the UI will roughly or eventually look something like this. Yep. Why are books never taken seriously? Wait, let me think about it. Is it because that oh. Okay, now I actually do believe that you have more than 100 jokes at your disposal. Okay, so to start creating this interface, I will start with the sort of the background, which is, or rather, which are the two black bars. Well, we can actually reuse that. Okay, so what we can do is to reuse what is already displayed. So, okay, what I'm going to do, okay, let's pause the background music. Oh, and by the way, this is a list of regions for you to choose a server, a nearest server to connect to for the best multiplayer experience. Hey, what's up? Yeah, and Solo Techno. Welcome, and are you having a great day? Okay, so right now this is multiplayer overview. Okay, you can take a look at the other players who are in the same league as you. Okay, but currently everyone starts from bronze 3, so that's the lowest league for now. Okay, let's see. So from here you can create a game room where you can invite your friends to join. So it's something like setting up a custom match. Okay. So when you press C to create a new room, okay, you'll be prompted to enter a room name. So after entering a room name, hey, welcome back, Octave Pants. How's your day, man? Okay, so after entering a room name, okay, and pressing enter, if the room name does not exist yet, okay, we'll create the game room, and that's when we'll start showing this interface. Okay, so let's start with the two black bars. Okay, one above and one at the bottom. So we can actually reuse what is already here. so as you can see right now, there are already 2 black bars. So what I'm going to do is to remove this platform, everything here, everything except the 2 black bars. Okay, so let's do that now. Okay, so create room. So once the room is created over here, okay, so this is by the way, I'm using Photon networking with Unity. So once the game room is created on the server, okay, this method will be called by Photon. Okay, and that's where we can start displaying whatever we need for the game room interface. So over here, I'm going to show the game room interface. Okay, so to do that, let's create a new method here. Okay, let's see. Create a room stack. Okay. Okay, so over here I'm going to create a new region, and okay, this will help us with organizing the codes. Okay, and I'm going to call it game room. Yeah, game room UI or game room stack. Okay, so I'm going to create a new method here. Okay, and let's call it display game room. Okay, we will pass in the name of the game room as well. So string room name, or let's call it game room name. Okay, so over here what we can do is to hide the let's see, the pop-up sort of interface elements which were displayed for you to enter the name of your game room. So let's remove that first. Selecting regions. Yeah, okay, so let's call this method first. Okay, that's a good question. So there isn't any specific reason as to why, but I do feel that there's more documentation and the ease of implementation which help me lean towards using Photon. So at least in that sense, yeah. Hey, by the way, welcome back, GB Easy 410. How was are you having a great day? Okay. Oh, and one more point to add is that from what I've read, it seems that the Photon servers, as in the performance-wise, is quite good. In terms of maybe latency or the connectivity. To allow for the creation of a new game room. Okay, next we have to remove the multiplayer overview. So that will be, let's see if I can find the, okay, so one of the things that we can do is to hide the overview menu. And we can also okay, let me just do a quick search. Yep. Oh, hey, what's up, Roxanne status? Is that how you pronounce your username? Okay. Okay, so we can reuse everything here. Okay, if that's the case, okay, let's cut this portion away. Okay, and let's create a new method for this, so that we do not need to sort of create a copy of this, which will not be that wise. Display number, okay. Show player overview. Okay, so I'm going to create a new method here. Oh. Hey, thanks man. Okay, that really means a lot to me. Height player overview. Okay, I will also be posting the game onto Steam Greenlight and Indiegogo once the multiplayer prototype is up and running. So that will be around the first week of November. Yeah, by my estimations. Okay. Oops. Yeah, over here. Okay, I'm just going to cut everything here and we'll call our newly created method. Okay. So this means that I can just call this method in order to hide everything to prepare for our new interface. Okay. Game room. Yep. Okay, height. Multiplayer overview. Okay, and now we have to set the multiplayer state to waiting in room. Okay. Yep. Okay, so set the multiplayer state to waiting in a game room. Yeah, you should get some rest, and if you can try out the demo of Stellar Stars. The link is found in one of the description panels below on my Twitch profile. Yeah, but most importantly, have a good rest, and yeah, I'm looking forward to chatting with you again. Okay, pause. Oh shit. Okay, I keep going into the single player mode. Okay, when we are supposed to test the multiplayer. Okay, create room. Okay, room name 1, enter. Okay, once the room is created. Okay. Okay, that's my bad. I did not call this new method that we have just created. Okay, so we have to call it here. Display room. Okay, display game room with our room name. Okay, let's try that again. Okay, create room. Okay, room name 2. Enter. Okay, yep. Okay, so once the game room has been created on the server, Okay, we will remove everything to prepare for the new interface that we're going to create. And oh, hey, welcome there, Justin Ng. Oh, hey, welcome, man. Are you on the GSC wireless network? So we are uploading at around 1000 kilobytes per second. Okay, just in case if the stream is lagging, do let me know. Okay, so now that we have created a new game room, okay, we can start creating and designing the interface elements and adding them to the game itself. Okay, you could I'm not sure if you are watching this from your mobile device, your handphone maybe, or from your laptop or from a desktop, but if you are on your desktop or laptop, you can actually use the LAN cable if you have set it out. Which will be faster. Yeah. And by the way, thanks for joining us today. Oh, by the way, guys, Justin is actually from another local game studio, just within walking distance from where I'm at. So he's also at the Game Solution Center where I'm at right now, in another room of another game studio. Oops. So I wasn't lying when I said that I'm in a place where there are a lot of game studios. Okay. Okay, so the first thing that we are going to add to the user interface, which you are looking at right now, what laptop model are you using? Is it something as thin as the MacBook Air? Okay, I'm not sure if does the MacBook Air has a port for the LAN cable? Oh. Yeah, man. Okay. Oh, so that reminds me. Okay, we do actually have to add a new multiplayer state. Okay, so if you take a look at this sketch version of the interface, okay, and if you take a look at the chat area, okay, you actually do have to press enter before before chatting, so that will not mix up with the rest of the menus. Oh, not yet. Okay, let me just take a quick look at it. 2015 MacBook. Oh. Wow. Okay, so it's really small, and holy shit, there's no port for the so it is fully just for wireless. Oh, and it's using the new USB-C port. So yeah, it's so thin that I don't think there's space for. Light years. Well, I wouldn't call it a lie because they did not specify the number of light years. So even if it's just 2 light years, okay, it is still light years ahead. Oh, are you referring to the new iPad Pro? I think. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I can't argue with that. Okay, in a way, maybe this is how Apple is positioning or marketing its new MacBook. Or maybe this is their style of doing so. Okay, waiting room. Chatting in room. Okay, I do know that, or rather I have some friends, and from my experience with them, okay, they do regard Apple products as a lifestyle choice, and yeah, so it's not that I don't understand their perspective. Instead, or rather, I years ahead, yeah. I'm also a MacBook Pro user, and I'm also using Windows, so I do kind of understand both perspectives. Oh. Okay, that's a good one from Mac. Oh yeah, what happened to the Thunderbolts pod, which they sort of focused on last year, I think. Yeah, was it last year? Or was it the year before? Or was it 2 years ago when they reviewed the Thunderbolts pod? Okay, chatting room. Okay. Oh, and that's also partially due to the fact that you can pick and choose what are the paths you want for your desktop, I think. Waiting room. Lightning connector. Oh, lightning connector. Oh, are you referring to the Thunderbolt port? Okay, if input.getKey down, key code.return. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's true. By the way, I do not recall Apple doing so in the past. Or was it recently that in the recent years that they started changing ports or adding new types of ports frequently? Yeah, because I don't recall them doing so when in the past. Get button down. Yeah, 4K, even though 4K is a level above 1080p in terms of how realistic it is, but okay, I don't think we or rather the average eye can actually see the difference, okay, between them, or rather there isn't any obvious differences that you can spot. Oh damn, you guys do sure know your stuff. Oh, hey, if you do leave it plugged in, will it overcharge the battery? Okay. Oh. So instead of first adding this chat area, I'm going to add the player data first, because we already have the user interface elements for the icon, your name, and the numbers and the traffic count. So that will sort of allow us to gauge how much space it will take up. Okay, so I'm going to do that first. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so over here, okay, we have to first display your the data for you. Okay, because you are the first player, as you are the person who, or the player who created the game room. Okay, so let's see if I can display Gamer info at position. Okay, let's take a look at that. Yeah. Okay. Okay, we can first display your username, and after which we can display your lake icon and your number of trophy cards. So this tree. Okay, so I'm referring to this tree. Okay. Okay, but we do not need to display your rank number. Yeah. Whoa. Okay, that would be cool if that's possible. But I'm not sure how you could go about achieving that. Okay, so let me modify this method so that we can reuse it. Okay, so boolean if for overview. Okay, so let me dot rank. Okay, if for overview wow, that is quite a number of calls you have there. Okay, and okay, if to display for the multiplayer overview, okay, that is list of players who are in the same league as you. Okay, maybe in addition to bragging rights, one of the possible reasons is because if you have noticed in the recent years, the sort of the processor speed hasn't actually gone up much. So you see things like maybe 3.2 gigs for the processor speed, but it hasn't always gone up and up. So I think that what they might be trying to do is to improve the performance of the CPU by not increasing the processor speed, but by adding more cores to it. Okay, true. Okay, so we have not affected the current existing functionality of the multiplayer overview. Okay, so this is sort of a regression test to make sure that whatever we have just changed does not affect what is already there. Okay, so right now I'm going to call this method over here. Okay, so for u, okay, so okay, before that, okay, so we'll pass in a random position here for now. So maybe okay, so this is just for testing. Start gamer false. Okay, I'm guessing it has to do with his network or internet. Okay, which means that most likely he'll be back soon. Okay, let's create a room. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So we have first created your username and things like the icon for your league, the number of trophy cups and a small trophy cup image here. So this is for you, the first player. So yeah, username 1. Okay, okay, I think I have to move it a bit. Yeah. Okay, so what else do we need? Okay, we need an icon for the characters. Okay, then icon to represent the characters that you have selected or chosen. Create room. Okay, yeah, so somewhere around here. 2, 3, 4. Okay, so display the info for you, or then display your multiplayer info. Okay, next we need an icon. Let's see. Okay, an icon to your right. So the icon will most likely look similar to when you unlock a character. Oh, okay. Okay. So we'll be okay. So I'll be creating 4 icons. Okay. Yeah. So this is one of them. This is for Asuka. Yeah. Okay. So the default icon that will be displayed will of course be bits. Okay, so let me just create the icons real quick. Okay, so in addition to creating or designing the icons, we also need to listen, listen for whenever a new player joins the room. Okay, and then we will display the data for them as well. Okay, but what if there are only 2 players? So that means we need something like an empty player placeholder that shows that that slot is empty. Yeah. Okay, we need to do that. Wow. Okay, so that means for this interface we have a lot of things to design and create. Okay, Mac is still not back yet. Okay, maybe something is up with his internet. Okay, either that or he has gone off. Oh, yeah. Okay, I think so too. Yeah, he might have given up on rejoining. Okay. Okay, I'm still designing the 4 character icons, so that will take a few minutes. Yeah. Okay, but basically what I'm doing is to just oops. Okay, based on this design, of course I'll be changing the circular shape here to a squarish looking shape. Okay, so that we can have the circular radii icon next to it. Because there's no contrast if we have 2 circles next to it. Or rather 2 circles next to each other. So that's why the icon for the character will be squarish or rectangle-ish, and the icon for the ready status, the ready to go for the multiplayer match status will be in a circular shape. Okay. Man. Okay, that is a funny way of how you described eating, but yeah, that is kind of funny. Okay, so I am starting from beach design. Okay, because beat is the first character. Oh, there's one more point that I would like to add, and okay, so even if you play the multiplayer mode instead of the single player, okay, you will still not be able to play the other 3 characters if you have not unlocked them. Yeah, so that is another advantage of if you get the full version versus the demo version. Yeah, which I know does not apply to you. Oh. Oh. Hey, welcome back, Hyper. Yeah, it has been a long while since I last saw you here. Yeah, so how have you been, man? Hey, by the way, sorry if I'm suddenly not chatty. Okay, I'm just yeah, designing the icons for the characters. Hey, what's up, Mr. Pooh 2? Welcome. Hey, thanks for understanding, man, Anasazi. Okay, I've created a nice little 24x24 icon for bits. Okay, so right now I'm exporting it. Oh, hey, which phone are you using right now? Okay. Yep, over here. Download. Okay, copy and let's paste this over sprites. Multiplayer. Let's see. Okay, we need to create a new folder here. Okay, let's call it game room scene. Okay, let's paste this here. Oh. Hey, Nexus 4 isn't that bad. Okay, multiplayer, game room. Okay, so this is our icon. 4 bits. Apply. Okay, so we will display this next to your username. So that means oh, okay. Are you referring to the battery? That the battery for your Nexus 4 is starting to die. If that's the case, are you able? Would it be possible to change the battery? Okay, else. Okay, if for game room. Okay, yeah, so we need to create a prefab for this. Let's go to okay. I see. Yeah, that makes sense, man. Yeah. Okay, so for today's live stream, I will stop here. But okay, I'll try to get as many of the interface elements as possible added to this interface. But I will first add the 4 audio player data on the right side before going to the left for the chat area. Okay, but yeah, there will be another new game patch out later today. So yeah, look forward to that. Okay, so I'm going off for lunch, but if you need me for anything, just as usual drop me a tweet or email me. Okay, yeah, so have a great day and look forward to the game patch coming out later today. Okay, so see you soon and have an awesome weekend as well. Okay, bye.